21 Manipur MLAs submit memorandum to Modi and Amit Shah urging immediate installation of popular government and address public unrest under President's rule. Security forces dismantle Chinkuki Mizo army network on Indo-Myanmar border, arrest 3 insurgent operatives and seize arms and ammunition. And GRPS seizes 65.5 kg ganja from 4 Manipur youths on Rajdhani Express. NDPS case registered as consignment bound for Delhi intercepted. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. In a political development, 21 sitting MLAs from Manipur have jointly submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah, appealing for the installation of a popular government in the state to restore peace and normalcy. The memorandum dated April 10 and received by the Prime Minister's office on April 29 reportedly expressed concern over the lack of visible progress during nearly 3 months of President's rule, which has been in place since February 13, 2025. The MLAs are said to have highlighted growing public apprehension over President's rule, noting that civil society organizations had already begun campaigns and protests demanding the return of an elected government. According to the letter, the MLAs also pointed out that certain groups had started blaming elected representatives for failing to initiate steps to form a new government, which they said had caused further unrest and confusion among the public. The MLAs are understood to have conveyed that the installation of a popular government would be the only way to restore peace and stability in Manipur, while pledging their commitment to work for peace once a government is reinstated. The 21 signatories include 10 MLAs from the BJP, namely Dongbram Robindro Singh from Thanga, Poonam Brojen from Wangjing, Laurembam Rameshwar from Kairao, Yumnam Radheshyam from Hyanglam, Thokchom Radheshyam from Hairok, S. Rajan from Lamsang, Kongkham Robindro from Mayang Imphal, Yumnam Khemchan from Singjamai, K.H. Raghumani from Uripok, and S.K.B. Devi from Nauria Pakhang Lakpa. They also include 3 MLAs from JDU, namely Thangjam Arun from Wangkai, Mohammad Achabuddin from Jiribam, and K.H. Joy Kisan from Thangmaiban. From the NPP, the signatories are Thangjam Loken from Wangoi, Sheikh Nurul Hassan from Khetrugao, and Janghemlung Pamay from Tamenglong. The NPF MLAs who signed the letter are Leishio Kaising from Fungyar, Losi Dikho from Mao, and Ram Wiva from Ukru. Additionally, 2 independent MLAs, namely Nistikan Sapam from Kaishamthong and J. Kumo Shah from Karong, have also endorsed the memorandum. The group of MLAs have urged the central leadership to take immediate steps in the interests of Manipur's people and its democracy. In a decisive blow to cross-border crime, security forces in Manipur have busted a Chinkuki Mizo Army or CKMA network operating along the Indo-Myanmar border. 3 suspected operatives have been arrested and a staggering cache of weapons, ammunition and communication equipment has been seized in what officials are calling one of the most significant crackdowns on extortion and drug smuggling in recent months. The high-impact operation carried out targeted suspected facilitators of drug trafficking and armed movement from Phaichet in Myanmar. Acting on precise intelligence, security personnel zeroed in on the international border zone under Baihyang Police Station, Churachandpur district, where the arrests were made. The arrested individuals have been identified as 48-year-old Lun Kho Ho of Kwan village in Sangai Kot, 30-year-old Jamhon Haukip from Liajangpai and 28-year-old Ngamboy Mate of Laijang, all natives of Churachandpur district. Authorities allege that the trio played a critical role in enabling both the smuggling of narcotics and the movement of arms across the border. A sweeping seizure followed the arrests, including an AK-47 rifle with 2 magazines, a 9mm country-made pistol, and a .22mm single-shot rifle. Security forces also recovered a stockpile of ammunition, 50 rounds of 7.62 mm, 5 rounds of 9mm, and 15 rounds of .22mm bullets. The cache did not end there. 3 Baofeng radio sets, 2 mobile phones, 2 Kenbo motorbikes, and sharp-edged kukris were also confiscated alongside cash, identification documents, and other personal items. Officials confirmed that the trio had been instrumental in ferrying drugs and arms between Manipur and Myanmar, foiling extortion rackets and destabilizing law and order in the region. Security forces in Manipur have intensified their efforts with extensive search operations and area dominations across the fringe and vulnerable areas of both hill and valley districts. One such operation took place at Nacho Patangkhong, situated between Nacho Paton and Ningthaukhong Paton Mamang under Bishnupur district. The operation aimed at gardening suspected floating huts to prevent illicit activities led to a significant discovery. During the operation, a combined team discovered a hut suspected to have been used as a hideout by members of the KCP-PWG, although the militants had fled upon the approach of security forces. The hut, believed to serve as a camp for the group, was subsequently dismantled and destroyed. Among the items recovered from the hideout were a SLR rifle with a magazine, a country-made 9mm pistol with a magazine, hand grenades, detonators, lethal bombs, and various ammunition shells. Additionally, the search yielded non-military items such as mattresses, blankets, cooking utensils, and fishing nets, suggesting sustained habitation. In a separate operation, Manipur police arrested an active member of the KCP-PWG identified as Khomdram Ranjita Devi, alias Ichan, age 28, from Kwaksifai Mayai Laikai, Bishnupur district. She was apprehended from the Kwaksifai area under Bishnupur police station. Upon her arrest, 1 mobile phone was recovered from her possession. Ranjita Devi was allegedly involved in extortion and monetary demands from the general public, local businessmen and shopkeepers in the Thobal area. In another development, Manipur police arrested an active member of the KCP Noyon identified as Yungkhaibam Ronaldo Maite, age 23, from Kurai, Ningthaubung Laikai, Maning Leirak, Imphal East district. He was apprehended near the Forest Office Gate at Segmai Bazaar under Segmai Police Station in Imphal West District. A mobile phone was seized from him at the time of arrest. Ronaldo Maite was reportedly engaged in extortion-related activities in various areas. In an anti-narcotics operation, officials of Guwahati Government Railway Police Station, GRPS, today seized 44 packets of cannabis, ganja, weighing a total of 65.5 kilograms from 4 individuals from Manipur traveling on the New Delhi-bound Rajdhani Express. Acting on a specific intelligence input, the GRPS team carried out a thorough check on train number 12423 DN at platform number 1 of Guwahati railway station, leading to the recovery and arrest. The 4 apprehended individuals, all hailing from Manipur, had boarded the train from Dimapur railway station with the consignment reportedly bound for New Delhi. The individuals have been identified as Nongthongbam Lansan Singh, age 22, a resident of Wangkhai Yumlembam Laikai, in Imphal East, Rairay Khan Dungsheng, age 25, from Langdang village in Ukhrul district, James Kamai, also 25, of Namdolung in Imphal East, and Bukrambam Kanta Singh, age 24, from Waheng Kuman Mayai Laikai in Bishnupur district. Legal proceedings under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances and DPS Act have been initiated, and further investigations are underway to trace the origins and intended recipients of the consignment. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching IS News.
Admission open. Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Pangaigi, Lisangani kun mga kuntaruk session gi oina, Class 11 Science Samsung Arts admission taunabagi, registration open taujare. Mahay masig takpi tambibagi lamda sahi kuntramatoy hena may pakpagi kongjelda, kumang yang na changsilak pagaloy na Rajkumari Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya gi ikay kumnajaraba founder singi, asan bamiyeng makada lamjing lamtak piduna, lamda masigi mitoy mihel labamiyoy kaya lepto na putok na lakli. Honglagli malem gi isel ka chunarba technology amadi technique kaya sisinaduna train tawraba experience lairaba oja kaya na takpi tambiri adom gi angang simbu kunaya sige achang bayumbi amamang oihanaba makhoi gi yaifaba tunglam chat ki damak school la sida tamhan biduna kudong chaba silobiyu registration form amasung akupa marol vidyalaya asigi pangai gi office counter natraga school gi website tagi phangbigani.
Admission open. PC Allied Health Institute, Kongmanjon 2, Imphal East, Manipur. Affiliated to Bharat Sevak Samaj, National Development Agency, promoted by Government of India. An authorized career counselor of Om Sterling Global University, Hisar, Haryana. Mafam asida tamba yaba coursing adudi, BSc in Radiology and Imaging Technology, Diploma in X-ray Technology, BSc or Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc or Diploma in Operation Theatre Technology, BSc or Diploma in Optometry, BSc or Diploma in Dialysis, Bachelor in Physiotherapy, BSc in Cardiovascular Technology, BSc in Nutrition and Dietetics, Diploma in ECG, Diploma in Autism Spectrum Disorder Education, Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology. Institute asida kudongchaba kharasu thamjari madudi ahan balakpa mahiroi mangada 20% discount pizagani, taruktagina tara fauda lakpa mahiroi singda 15% discount pizagani, tara mathoidagi kun fauda lakpa mahiroi singi oina 10% discount pizagani, relief camp tigi lakpa mahiroi mangada diploma course admission gi oina 50% discount pizari, kana lezadrabat natraga orphanage tigi lakpa mahiroi mangagi diploma course ki admission fee free oizagani, nupa amasung nupi gi lainanaba hostel gi facility pizari, institute asigi oina course amagi 30 seat capacity khaktamak oizagani, matam ga chunaraba smart class, clinical practice at reputed hospital amadi diagnostic center singda hakteng na tambagi kudongchaba su pizari, hairiba coursing asi tamba loibaga job placement gi kudongchaba su pizari. Akupa marol gi damak contact number 7641934366 natraga 8131064931 natraga email ID pcalliedhealthinstitute@gmail.com da pau fawbiraknaba khanghanjari. Athuba matamda registration tawbiduna kudongchaba singa silobi haunaba ningsingjari.
Welcome back. You're watching IS English News. Meanwhile, law enforcement agencies also step up actions against drug trafficking in the state. Two individuals, Jin Khan Lun, age 29, of Vang Nuam, and Vung Tang Sang Mul No, age 36, of Swangdo Singat Subdivision, Churachandpur district, were arrested from Valveng under Churachandpur police station. From their possession, authorities seized 331 shop cases containing suspected brown sugar, 2 mobile phones, and 1 four-wheeler pickup truck. Similarly, in Taubal district, 2 individuals identified as Muhammad Wasak Wakas, age 26, and Muhammad Yarish, age 21, both from Taubal district, were apprehended from Kangabo Kunau Laikai under Taubal police station. Seized from them were 3 shop cases weighing approximately 30 grams of brown sugar, 1 two-wheeler, and 3 mobile phones. In a separate recovery operation, Ukhrul District Police, in close coordination with Assam Police, successfully recovered a dumper truck bearing registration number AS09AC5653, which had been stolen from Assam on March 31st. The truck was located in the Tailui area under Somdal Police Station, Ukhrul District, and subsequently handed over to its rightful owner, Abdul Jalil of Murachhar District, Assam, in the presence of local witnesses. Last night, a devastating fire engulfed a 6-story hotel in Kolkata's historic and densely populated Bura Bazar neighborhood, claiming the lives of at least 15 individuals, as confirmed by local authorities. The majority of the victims succumbed to suffocation, with one person tragically falling to their death while attempting to escape the blaze. Kolkata Police Commissioner Manoj Kumar Verma informed reporters that 14 casualties have been officially recorded thus far. He also disclosed the establishment of a special investigation team, SIT, tasked with determining the fire's cause and assessing the adequacy of safety measures in place. The investigation will additionally scrutinize the challenges faced by guests during the evacuation process. The fire ignited around 7:30 p.m. at the Rituraj Hotel of Mandamohan Street. Responders deployed 10 fire engines to combat the inferno, successfully bringing it under control by 1 a.m. today morning. According to police reports, many of those who perished were guests who became trapped inside their rooms as the fire rapidly spread. Local residents noted that the Rituraj Hotel is situated above a commercial warehouse on its ground floor, with the upper 5 stories serving as hotel accommodations. Before we end, the headlines once again. "21 Manipur MLAs submit memorandum to Modi and Amit Shah, urging immediate installation of popular government and address public unrest under President's rule." Security forces dismantle Chinkuki Mizo army network on Indo-Myanmar border, arrest 3 insurgent operatives and seize arms and ammunition. And GRPS seizes 65.5 kg ganja from 4 Manipur youths on Rajdhani Express. NDPS case registered as consignment bound for Delhi intercepted. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.